Jingle 12, the pronoun jingle. Class, these little pronouns hanging around can take the place of any of the nouns. With a smile and a nod and a twinkle of the eye, give those pronouns a big high five. Yeah. Jingle 14, the subject pronoun jingle. There are 7 subject pronouns that are easy as can be. Subject pronouns. I and we, he and she, it and they and you. Those are the subject pronouns. Good afternoon, 3rd and 4th grade. Today we're learning all about pronouns. Pronouns are going to be something that takes the place of a noun. The jingles that you just heard are our new jingles, and they actually told you what those 7 subject pronouns are. But let's start by getting our name at the top. A pronoun is a special word that can take the place of a noun in a sentence. A pronoun can stand for a person, a place, a thing, or idea. Same way that a noun is going to stand for those things, a pronoun is taking the place of a noun, so it can also take the place of a person, place, thing, or idea. Now, here's why we want to use those pronouns. Let's take a look at these 2 sentences right here. The boys played hard, but they did not win. The pronoun that they is referring to boys, right? But boys did not win. Without it, the sentence would sound kind of weird. The boys played very hard, but the boys did not win. Let's say I was talking about my brother. One of my brother's names is CJ. So what if I said, CJ went to work this morning. Then CJ decided that CJ was going to have a sandwich for lunch. So CJ went to his car, CJ pulled out his lunchbox, and CJ took out his sandwich. CJ then ate. See how ridiculous that sounds? I'm just saying the same thing over and over and over again, and it's repetitive. Instead, it's like here, the boys played hard, but the boys did not win. Instead of saying the boys again, you can say, but they did not win. You do it naturally when you talk. So now we're just going to add that into our writing. Now, a special type of pronoun is a subject pronoun. One type is a subject pronoun. It takes the place of the subject noun. To find the subject pronoun, you're going to ask the same questions that you would ask when you do the subject noun. Who or what? Who if it's a person, what if it's a thing, a place, thing, or idea. Now, in our pronoun jingle, you just heard the 7 subject pronouns. We said there are 7 subject pronouns that are easy as can be. Subject pronouns. I and we, he and she, it and they, and you. All right, those are our 7 subject pronouns. I and we, he and she, it and they and you. All right? When you flip over your paper, you're going to see here we're going to practice it today. You see they right here. See they there as well, okay? So when we do our question answer flow, we'll say sentence 1. They danced to the song. Who danced to the song? They. And instead of saying subject noun, we'll just say subject pronoun. All right? Let's give it a shot. Sentence 1, class. Thanks for saying it with me. They danced to the song. Who danced to the song? They. Subject pronoun. What is being said about they? They danced. Verb. 2, preposition. To what? Song. Object of the preposition. The. Article, adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Check. To the song, prepositional phrase, period statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Excellent, let's go on to number 2. They danced with gusto to the loud song at the party. Who danced with gusto to the loud song at the party? They. Subject pronoun. What is being said about they? They danced. Verb. With. Preposition. With what? Gusto. object of the preposition. That's an example of a noun that's an idea. Right? They danced with gusto. Gusto's, it's not a thing, it's an idea. To, preposition. To what? Song. Object of the preposition. What kind of song? Loud. Adjective. The. Article. Adjective. At, preposition. At what? Party. Object of the preposition. The. Article. Adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Check. With gusto, prepositional phrase. To the loud song, prepositional phrase. At the party, prepositional phrase. Period statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Now, if this sentence was in a paragraph, the sentence before would probably tell you who they's referring to, right? Right now we don't know, it's somebody's dancing, but we don't know who. And we don't know anything else about them because we just had the subject pronoun. If this was in a sentence, it probably would have referred to their names or what group of people it was or something like that before they would just use the pronoun they. Notice here we're going back to Paula and we have Miss Turner. We do not have a pronoun in this sentence. Sentence 3, class. Paula worked on several art projects with Miss Turner after school. Who worked on several art projects with Miss Turner after school? Paula. Subject, noun. What is being said about Paula? Paula worked. Verb. On, preposition. On what? Projects. Object of the preposition. What kind of projects? Art. Adjective. How many projects? Art. Several. Adjective. With, preposition. With whom? Miss Turner. Object of the preposition. Just like if that was Miss Mackey, right? Ms. Mackey, I'm one person. So just write object of the preposition right between the two kind of, because this is all one object of the preposition. Back to it. After, preposition. After what? School. Object of the preposition. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Check. On several art projects, prepositional phrase. With Miss Turner, prepositional phrase. After school, prepositional phrase. Period statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Let's go ahead and go through with our noun check. Today, our noun check, we have subject pronoun, they, no, it is a pronoun. Object of the preposition, song, yes. Subject pronoun, they, no, it's a pronoun. Object of the preposition, gusto, yes. Object of the preposition, song, yes. Object of the preposition, party, yes. Subject noun, Paula, yes. Object of the preposition, projects, yes. Object of the preposition, Miss Turner, yes. Object of the preposition, school, yes. Notice here, our pronouns are not nouns, right? It takes the place of a noun. So when we add the parts of speech that we know, like nouns, verbs, adverbs, adjective, and prepositions, we're also going to add pronouns now. So go ahead and just draw yourself a box down here. Know how a lot of times on our tests it asks us to give those parts of speech? So let's just list them here. N for noun, V for verb, ADV for adverb, ADJ for adjective, P for preposition, and now we're going to add PRO for a pronoun. Right? Go ahead and put like 3 stars around it. If you don't know how to draw a star like that, you can do it like this too. Alright? Pronouns are new one. Awesome job. Tomorrow we'll learn more about singular and plural pronouns and nouns.